How to turn off the bloom effect in EA Sports FC Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you prefer a cleaner look or want to improve performance, you can easily disable the bloom effect in EA Sports FC Mobile through the game's graphic settings. First of all, launch open the EA Sports FC Mobile game on your device. Once you're inside, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. Right after you do that, you'll open the Settings tab. Here, select the Graphics option, tap the pencil button right next to Graphics, and under the Display option, select this Off button right next to Bloom. Once you turn this off, click on Save at the bottom right. Now your bloom effect has been turned off in the game. The game will now display without the extra glow effect, which can provide a clearer visual experience and may improve performance on some devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.